What if I told you there was a way to use any brand of filament with your XYZ printer? There is. This guy right here, Open Smart Tag. Hey everybody, this is Callie. Welcome back to XYZ Printing. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what an Open Smart Tag is and how to install it. Let's get started. Please note that the Open Smart Tag is only compatible with the Nano series, the Mini series, the Junior series, and the Color series. The Open Smart Tag will allow your XYZ printer to now be compatible with any third-party brand of filament. Now you can enjoy the versatility of an open filament 3D printer. When it comes to installing the Open Smart Tag, there are two methods. Method 1 installs the Open Smart Tag directly onto the spool of filament. Method 2 installs the Open Smart Tag to the printer arm by itself with the filament spool off to the side. If you haven't done so already, please update your XYZ print to the latest version. Click the video on my hand for a quick tutorial on how to update the XYZ firmware. We'll begin method 1 by removing the spool ring mounting screw located on the side of the Open Smart Tag. Insert the spool ring from both sides of your third-party filament spool. Tighten the screw with the screwdriver to finish the installation process. Place the assembled filament on the spool holder to complete method 1. The second method is what you'll want to do if the filament spool that you're working with is too large to fit on the printer arm. Simply mount the Open Smart Tag onto your printer's spool holder. Hang the larger spool on the external spool holder as such. If you don't already have an external spool holder, click the link below for the free STL file. Now that you have your Open Smart Tag installed, you'll need to register your Smart Tag to your printer of choice. Please note that an Open Smart Tag can only be used by one XYZ printer. To register your Open Smart Tag, select Dashboard, Filament, then select Yes, Register Now to finalize the registration. Your Open Smart Tag is now registered and can be used to print any third-party filament. Have fun!